In this edition of Into the Fray, we'll talk about the value and importance of always being armed. Keep your firearm on you at all times, even when you're in the house. Let's take a look at some surveillance video here of a home invasion. And this is, I don't know if it's typical of home invasions or not. You see the bad guys creeping around here pretty soon. They'll be coming up alongside of the house. And notice that the bad guy is carrying a sledgehammer, and he's going to use that sledgehammer to break into the house. Now that sledgehammer becomes important later on, and again I'll ask this question, I've asked it before, how would you rather fight back against somebody who's broken into your house? You saw the guy swing the sledgehammer, he's coming in through the window, the dogs are running around going crazy, and here the residents of the house come and they want to fight. Now look at this, it's just an all-out melee brawl, people are just fighting, and I'm saying, you know what? This would have been a whole bunch easier to stop this home invasion if the guy down there currently getting whooped would have had a gun on him. And he would have just shot the bad guy as the bad guy came through the door with the sledgehammer. Now you see somebody pick up a chair and start running people out the door. Now, these home invaders are truly determined, and now the homeowner picks up the sledgehammer and he decides he's going to fight back against the home invaders who don't want to leave. I can't figure this out. Why don't they just run away? They're getting beat now with their own weapons, but they still want to keep coming into that house for whatever reason. Again, if these homeowners had had their concealed carry firearm on their person when this invasion started, they would have been able to end it within seconds. Instead, it's a hand-to-hand fight, and at that point, you don't know who's going to win, but at least you got to pick up the sledgehammer and use it against the guy who broke into your house. I'm Kevin Michalowski, editor of Concealed Carry Magazine. Thank you for watching Into the Fray.